Hi guys, my name is Dari and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you some of the recent fabrics that I've purchased, and we're just going to go ahead and get straight to it. So we are currently in the fall of 2021 and I don't know what happened to me, but something came over me and I decided that I was just going to buy fabrics that are, I don't know, appropriate for fall and winter, to be honest. And yeah, so I just went on a couple of websites, a couple of fabric websites. I went on melanatedfabrics.com and I went to stylemakerfabrics.com. Stylemaker Fabrics is literally like probably my favorite fabric store online, but there's been some recent ones popping up. So yeah, I purchased from those two shops and I just want to go ahead and show you what I got. So the first thing I got, and I see that my video, the light is kind of blowing out every time I turn my head, so I hope that doesn't happen too much. But I want to also share with you my plans for each of these fabrics. So this is a sweater knit from melanatedfabrics.com, and the color is raisin. Actually, is this raisin? No, I think I got another color. I think it's like a heather pink, if I'm not mistaken. So what I plan to do with this sweater knit, and it's really soft and quite stretchy, I plan to make the Copelia top. It's like a wrap top from Paper Cut Patterns, and for the patterns that I don't actually have with me in front of me, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a photo of it so that you can see what I'm talking about. But yes, I plan to make just a nice cozy little wrap top. I've been wanting to make something like that for some time. There are days where I go to the office still, at least twice a week now, and I just want to be comfortable, but I want to be cute, right? So that's what I plan to make with this one. And I got this again at Melanated Fabrics, and the next two fabrics that I have here are also from Melanated Fabrics, so I just want to let you know that. This next fabric here is a French terry, and it's in the color cream, I believe. And I will admit that in person it's a little bit, just a tiny bit darker than what it looks like even in the video, so I can see why when I purchased it I thought it would be one shade lighter, but it's just because that's what it looks like on the website. It's just, it looks like it's a tiny bit lighter, but it's still okay. This is what I wanted. I wanted like a cream cardigan, and I plan to make the new True Bias, I believe it's called the Marlow. It's the Marlow cardigan. I plan to make like the crop version, and again I'll insert a photo of that. With the buttons in the front. I just thought that'd be kind of cute. I was kind of thinking maybe have something a little slouchy with jeans or even with dress pants, to be honest with you. So that's what I plan to make with that sweater. I've already requested from PDF Plotter the AO copy, the copy shop version, to be sent to me, so I'm super excited about that because I really want to get straight into that and just cut it out and get it over with. So the next fabric I have here is a plaid, and this, I don't know, the color combination of it is really beautiful. Like, it's so me. And I actually have with me what I want to make with it. I want to make this McCall's pattern. It's the M7472, and I'd like to make view F, what the model is wearing. Just feeling it, it's a little, I'm gonna have to obviously I haven't washed any of these yet, as you can see the tag's still on. I plan to obviously wash it. I hope it softens up a little bit more so that I can go ahead and make that top, but that's what I'm planning to make with this, so we'll see how that goes. I had been wanting to make like something with plaid this fall anyway. I've been seeing a lot of shackets out there, and that's been really attracting me, so for sure I plan to make something with plaid this fall and winter. I'm not going to limit myself to fall because there are quite a few plans in mind, quite a few patterns that I plan to make. So next I have some fabric here from Style Maker Fabrics this time. And I want to go ahead and start off with this beautiful Rayon Twill. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful to me. I love it. It's so soft, and what I had in mind for this, I actually have next to me in a little stack. So let me pull that up for you. What I had in mind, and I actually got this idea from Kyra Proser. She is somebody I follow on Instagram. She's a DIYer as well. She makes a lot of her clothes. She posted a very similar fabric. I don't think it's the same, but she made this skirt out of it. View A, I believe, is the version that she made, and I just thought that was so cute, and I was like, you know what, this would be perfect for that. And I don't know, she just inspired me to get a similar fabric, similar design. It's like a tiger print, that's what it looks like to me, and I just love this type of print. I love animal print. I love this style. I love how soft it is, so I am very excited to make this skirt. I hope I stick with this skirt, but it's possible that I could change my mind, but this is my current plan for it, so yeah. Okay, next is this plaid. It is from, again, Style Maker Fabrics, and at first I thought that the little checkers, like the dark ones, were almost black, like espresso. That's what it looked like in the photo, but when it arrived, I was like, oh, it is brown. I can tell it's brown. I can't really see the black at all, or even from a distance, but you know what? That's okay, because it doesn't matter. I wanted to make with this, it keeps blowing out. I'm sorry for that in the camera, but I wanted to make this Ilford jacket, but the version in the back that the girl's wearing. It's long and it has buttons in the front, and I just want to make a shacket. Like I said, I've been seeing this everywhere. I've been wanting to make one forever, so this is what I plan to make out of it. Next is this beautiful, it's like a faux suede. Actually, I have the details right here. This is a soft suede shirting, and it's very lovely. It's supposed to have a satin back. I think it does. I don't recall. Let me see. It should have a satin. Yeah, it has a satin back. And what I plan to make with this one is this pattern here, View B. It's not quite the long version. It's like a midi length and long sleeve, because I think it would be perfect for fall. I don't quite have brown boots, but I think black can still go with this. I don't know. I think it's lovely. It's very soft, very beautiful. I'm very attracted to suede. Like, I prefer a suede fabric over like faux leather, for example. And the color is like a cream color. It's very beautiful, and that's what I plan to make with it. So let me put that on my lap, because I don't want to accidentally have it fall, because it's very delicate. All right, so the next one is this bamboo jersey. It's navy blue, and as you can see there, and I got this. They only had like a 3/4 length remnant of this fabric left online, and the reason why I grabbed it is because I have been wanting to make like a t-shirt with a ruffle, like a little ruffle at the bottom, and the one I had in mind was this pattern here. I obviously don't plan to make this year. I plan to make this next year, but I just wanted to show you what I had in my plans, you know. So I plan to make the ruffle, not the double ruffle top, but just like maybe just one ruffle here. But I do plan, this is the Simplicity 8376. So I plan to make that. And then the last fabric that I got is from Style Maker Fabrics, is this Ponte knit. It's black. It is very high quality, very stretchy and beautiful. And I don't really have anything in mind just yet, except that I want to make some pants. I'm really desperate for pants for work. I just, you know, they told us recently, not recently, well, they told us like back in August that we were going to open up officially in September. and I just wasn't quite ready for that opening, like the full-time opening, even though I'm still going in like twice a week, but I just wasn't ready for it. So a lot of my pants don't really fit me. I'm obviously on a mission to lose weight because I don't really want to be, you know, having to buy a whole bunch of new pants. They're just tight. They're just not comfortable. You know, you get used to loungewear and joggers, and then you have to start wearing some fitted pants and stuff to work. They're just not as comfortable. So that's the reason why I bought this ponte. But I do plan to make, that's my plan, to make pants with this. So we'll see how that goes. And then I forgot to mention that I actually bought more fabric, but not at these two online fabric shops, rather in person at Joann's. And I do want to go ahead and show you, and let me just go ahead and put this back here. I do want to go ahead and show you what I got because I'm really happy with my purchase from Joann's, and I can't believe I didn't mention that in the beginning, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you. There's just 3 fabrics. I got it recently. I got this black like rib knit. I don't know if you can see that. It's a rib knit. It's very stretchy. I plan to make actually I have my patterns over here. Let me go get it. Okay, I'm back. I plan to make this Simplicity sweater View C, which is the gray sweater right here that the girl's wearing. I don't know if you can see that. That style is very much me. So I plan to make that out of this sweater knit, about 2 yards. So I think it's plenty. And then lastly, I'm going to show you 2 fabrics. They're the same. One's black. One is like a charcoal gray. And this is a poly Rayon Twill. And I am in love with this. Both fabrics are so soft. It has a slight bit of stretch to it, which is perfect. And guess what I'm making with these 2? The plan is to make dress pants for work. And I've been, since this came out, been wanting to make this S9114, the pants from the Mimi G Simplicity brand. And I've just been wanting to make that forever, since it came out, literally. And I think it's a popular one too. I've seen a lot of people make this. So I plan to make that out of these 2, and I'm super excited because I really want to make this to actually wear it physically to work. So it's not like something I'm going to wear out and about, but rather something that I want to wear to work, and that I would love to pair with some of the other fabrics that I purchased. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe. Please, if you could just support me, I would be so grateful. Yeah, until the next video, hopefully I have a couple of other makes to show you, because I've made a dress, and if you follow me on Instagram, I've made my first fall dress. So yeah, definitely check that out. And yeah, till the next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.